We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Zenith Defy Lab. Movement number 1. Zenith Defy Lab. Zenith, now owned by luxury conglomerate LVMH, has been a watchmaker based in Le Locle, in the heart of Switzerland's watchmaking industry, since 1865. It released its Defy Lab model in September 2017, boldly proclaiming it to be the most accurate mechanical watch in the world.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.